Here's some Restoration England trivia. Subscribe. Who was King of England at the start of the Restoration? Is it A. Oliver Cromwell, B. James II, C. Charles II, or D. George I? The correct answer is C. Charles II. Which year marked the restoration of the monarchy? Is it A. 1702, B. 1678, C. 1649, or D. 1660? The correct answer is D. 1660. Which act established religious toleration in 1672? Is it A. Act of Supremacy, B. Toleration Act, C. Declaration of Indulgence, or D. Test Act? The correct answer is C. Declaration of Indulgence. What significant event occurred in London in 1666? Is it A. Great Fire, B. English Civil War, C. Plague Outbreak, or D. Great Exhibition? The correct answer is A. Great Fire. Which playhouse was famously associated with Shakespeare? Is it A. Yale Theatre, B. Swan Theatre, C. Fortune Theatre, or D. Globe Theatre? The correct answer is D. Globe Theatre. What was the name given to the first British newspaper? Is it A. The Guardian, B. The Daily Courant, C. The Times, or D. The Observer? The correct answer is B. The Daily Courant. Which political group opposed the power of the monarchy? Is it A. Loyalists, B. Monarchists, C. Whigs, or D. Tories? The correct answer is C. Whigs. Who wrote the influential work Leviathan? Is it A. Immanuel Kant, B. John Locke, C. Thomas Hobbes, or D. Jean-Jacques Rousseau? The correct answer is C. Thomas Hobbes. Who succeeded Charles II as king? Is it A. James II, B. Edward VI, George D. William III? The correct answer is A. James II. Which document limited royal power in 1689? Is it A. Magna Carta, B. Bill of Rights, C. English Civil War, or D. Petition of Right? The correct answer is B. Bill of Rights. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.